everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Zoom to your laptop. So open any browser. I'm using Google Chrome and go ahead and search for Zoom and click the first one. So make sure it's the official website. Now, once you're on the main page, what you can do is to click the three dots at the top right and just scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and look for Cat Save and Share. And here, just click Install Page as App. So if you click that, a new window will appear and click on Install, and it will be installed to your laptop. Now, the next method you can do is to go to Microsoft Store and search for Zoom or Zoom Workspace, or you can search for Zoom Workplace. So once you found it, click on Install, and it will be downloaded to your PC. So just wait for it to finish. So once installed, just click on Open, and you can now use it as an app on your laptop. So so you can go ahead and click on the three dots right here at the top, and in here you can uninstall Zoom. So just click on uninstall and confirm the action, and it will be deleted from your PC. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Edge and search for Slack. So once you're on the main page, what you need to do is again click the three dots at the top right, go to More Tools, and look for Apps, and click Install this site as an app. And click on Install just like Chrome. And basically, that's it. Very easy. Thanks for watching.